Okay, you want to put it this way.
Okay. What? I'm delirious. Okay, I'm starting over. Buongiorno, mama. Buongiorno, mama. Now that Ashley and I have been dating for 3 months, she likes to be very specific. It's not a while, apparently. Block from to each other's cultures a little bit better, you know, to become one big global family. Perché the importance of different countries coming together in the world. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Ashley. Oh, I saw you. Hey, what's up?